Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's important to all of us, dental care. Specifically, we'll discuss some effective ways to make your teeth strong and sparkling white. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update from our channel. Brushing. Let's start with the basics. Brushing. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day is crucial to maintain good oral hygiene. It helps remove any food particles and plaque buildup, which can cause cavities and gum disease. Make sure you brush for at least 2 minutes using fluoride toothpaste to strengthen your teeth and prevent cavities. Also, don't forget to brush your tongue to eliminate bacteria and freshen your breath. Flossing. Flossing is another essential part of dental care that many people tend to overlook. It helps remove food particles stuck between teeth and prevents plaque buildup. Make sure you floss at least once a day to maintain good oral hygiene. You can use traditional floss, interdental brushes, or water flossers to clean between your teeth. Mouthwash. Another great way to improve your dental health is by using mouthwash. Mouthwash can help kill bacteria in your mouth, prevent gum disease, and freshen your breath. Make sure you choose a mouthwash that contains fluoride and use it after brushing and flossing. However, don't use mouthwash as a substitute for brushing and flossing. Diet. In addition to these daily practices, there are a few things you can do to make your teeth stronger and whiter. One of them is to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for building strong teeth and bones. You can find them in foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, and leafy greens. Baking soda. Another great way to whiten your teeth naturally is by using baking soda. Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener that can help remove stains and discoloration from your teeth. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to make a paste and brush your teeth with it once a week. However, don't use baking soda too frequently as it can erode your tooth enamel. Limit coffee and tea. Finally, if you're a coffee or tea drinker, make sure you drink them in moderation. Coffee and tea can stain your teeth over time, so try to limit your consumption and drink plenty of water to rinse your mouth after. That's all for today's video on how to make your teeth stronger and whiter. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene is essential to your overall health, so make sure you prioritize it in your daily routine. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Also, leave a comment below and let us know what topics you want us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.